Hello, today's video is going to be an unboxing video. I told you guys that I had ordered a Schick Krona, a newer model, the one with the black handle. Well, we're going to unbox it. Came in one of these. I'm not going to show my information, obviously, but I got my Swiss Army knife, and I'm going to unbox it for you guys. And today, I am wearing a G-Shock GW6900. With J's and K's, adapters, and a NATO strap, or a Zulu strap on there. Alright. Let's, oh! Well, there went that. Okay, let's see. Oh, there's more tape. I'll tell you that. This seller package is pretty good. Okay, what do we got? Oh, wow! Wow, not bad. While I'm here, you know what? I have got a dummy blade. I'll put a dummy blade in it for you guys before I clean it up. Alright, dummy blade. Let's see. Come on, focus camera. Everything looks good. Well, that was just a quick unboxing. Next video will be a shave with it, probably after I clean this up. I'm impressed. I mean, I paid 15 bucks for this, but full shaving review to come soon. All right, thank you for watching.